one cross that we're going to look at. So I'm very focused on just dollar right now, what's going on there. But one cross that is interesting to me is euro yen, which is through the roof today. I posted a chart earlier on Twitter, was like euro yen, kind of thinking resistance, right? Hasn't responded at all. We are absolutely through the moon here. So trying to crack this trend line too. From a long-term perspective, I thought that euro yen would trade off a little bit more. One, underside of this trend line, failed it again back in October, came off. I was kind of looking down towards the top side of this level, which would intersect with that November 2020 low down near 121 and change. That hasn't happened. Doesn't mean it can't. But point being, on a long-term basis, this thing's pretty coiled up, right? Like, again, this is a weekly chart, but if you just look from the 2012 low, you've got pretty solid, contracting price pattern. We'd call that a triangle. And yeah, the potential for just a bigger surprise move in either direction is there, right? And forget narratives, forget what you think, like the whole Russian thing, blah, 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 bad for Europe, so be it. Yeah, look what Euro's doing today. It's ripping. So, if you look at it from this standpoint, we have broken out of a massive contracting, level. And again, not to say we can't retest this. That's where my, kind of base case is, that we come back to, 121, 122. However, if you're waiting for that and it doesn't happen, you might miss a gigantic burst to the upside. So just something to keep in mind as far as euro yen is concerned. And again, the big level here is probably like 134 and change, which is where the high was back in June. Aside from being the 618 retrace of that decline from 2014, it's also 2 legs up, right, from the May 2020 low. So you've got a confluence there, a measurement confluence. So it's not a surprise we topped there, but again, if we go through it, watch out.